Hello and welcome or welcome back. Today I will be showing you how to make this delicious egg drop soup, which in my opinion is better than takeout. There's only a few ingredients and it comes together in about 10 to 15 minutes. Let's get started. Start by cutting 2 green onions and set those aside. Crack 3 large eggs into a bowl and lightly whisk. Add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch to 1/4 cup of chicken broth and mix those together well. Add the remaining 3 3/4 cup chicken broth to your pot and bring it to a light simmer over medium heat. Add 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, tablespoon of soy sauce, half a teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/8 teaspoon of pepper, and give it a good stir. Stir your cornstarch slurry before pouring it into your soup. Stir for about a minute continuously until the soup thickens up. For adding the eggs, turn the heat down to low, continuously stir, and slowly pour in the eggs. You're going to want to let the eggs sit for about 30 seconds, and then at that point you can stir again. If your egg ribbons don't turn out perfectly, I promise the taste is not going to be affected. It will still be just as delicious. This soup is one of my favorites. For lunch, for dinner, any chance I get to make it, I will. There's only a few ingredients and it's so easy to make. I hope you'll give it a try. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you'll like and subscribe and come back for more easy and delicious recipes.